Hello, welcome back to Gordon's channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to deploy our website to the internet with Heroku. So this will be our steps, and we will go through this one by one. And to begin with, I have already designed a website for a tutorial center, and I have a very simple landing page which is a little bit responsive. You can see that we can have a menu here. So this is a slightly responsive website, and I have set up the file here. So let's open with code. Now this is a Node.js project. We are going to use Express and GJS, but I have not initialized this Node project first. So let's initialize it. First of all, npm init y. So I'm going to say yes to everything, and it automatically detects that my entrance file is server.js. So that's very good. And now I have inside my I have the control and the field. So my field contains my field EJS, and my control contains the just a simple callback to the get, and my field is the website, the HTML body, and I have some image and the CSS file. I'm using Tailwind for faster development. So this is a very simple Node.js project. And now let's after setting up the package.json, we need to include the dependency, which is Express and the EJS. So let's install npm install Express and EJS. Now it is installing the dependency. Okay, now our website can be, now we can see that in the package.json we have the dependency, and the node modules we have all the Express and the EJS. So we can try to load our project with npm start or node server.js. So let's use npm start. Now my server is running because I have set the callback to the listening. So now let's go to refresh. Okay, now you can see that my website has been launched. Let me remove this one. Now you can see that the website is in my local host now. So I can it is in Chinese, and it is basically want people to use the WhatsApp to contact us. And so this is the most basic website. So now let's go to set up there are a few prerequisites for uploading to Heroku. First of all, before setting the gitignore and profile, we should set the port here. In the localhost testing, we use port 3000, but after uploading to Heroku, we should set process.env.port, process.env.capital PORT, and here we should have a file which is gitignore. This one prevents us from having a very large gig file. So we should set two things here. The first one is .env, in case that later we will have an environment file, and the second one is the node modules. Okay, so these two, the node module folder, I don't want this whole bunch of file to be uploaded, so I'm setting the node module as gitignore. And after setting up the gitignore, we need one more file which is called the Procfile, and the Procfile should be in the root of the directory, and the name should be Procfile without any extension. You see, it already hints that it is an Heroku file. So now we put the package.json, this npm start here, which is node.server.js, node server.js, or npm start. So let's use npm start, right? And now we are ready. So let's try to communicate with the Heroku server, try to create a new project. Let's say now a project is, I have several projects in my Heroku, and I have two more empty space. So I can use new here, or I can use the command here. So let's say let's use a new terminal. Now let's use the Heroku command. Heroku command create a new project which is called learn together, which is the iteration turning. Learn together is taken. So now, of course, because this is a very common name, so okay, let's use create learn together -hk to be in line with my just registered domain name. Okay, now learn together -hk has not been taken, so I can create it with this one. So this step you need to try a few times. If the name is taken, then you cannot use the name. So I cannot use learn together, but I can use learn together.hk. And now it is suggesting that I can access my app with this URL, and I can let me try it. And I can okay, I can get the gig with this gig if I'm logged in. So let's copy this first to the website. It should show that there is nothing now. Yeah, this is a new app, so we have just create the app. Let's refresh this page. Yes, let's refresh it. Yes, it is checking the connection to see if it is safe, and if it is safe, it will show update the app list for us. So let's wait for a few seconds. My website is yeah, it is connecting and it has verified my address. So now I have the learn to get out dash hk, which is just created, and it hasn't know the type yet because I have not uploaded it yet. So now I'm going to upload my file. So I will need to run the git here. So which is I need to run 3 commands: git add space dot, git commit, and git push. So first of all, git add dot, this one not a git repository or of any of the parent directory. So let's try it again. Git add dot, not a git repository. Okay, so now because we are using git on this folder for the first time, we need to use git init. Initialize the empty git repository here. So if we go back to the file, we can see that we have a git directory here, which is a hidden folder. So now we can use the git add. No, we don't need to bother about it. We just wait for a few minutes. Yeah, it is done. And now we can use the git commit -m. The flag is m, and then we need to have a first commit. For example, the remarks is first commit. Now it has commit my files, some Heroku, some undraw, some hero icon, and some undraw, and the tailwind. And then yeah, it has not git the node module, which is very large. And now let me see, I have run the commit, I run add, so I can push it to Heroku. Git push Heroku master. Heroku does not appear to be a git repository, so now I need to git the repository first, which is this one, the git one. Okay, Heroku git remove. I need to remove this one as the learn together -hk. Learn together -hk. Let's wait. Now we are git remoting Heroku to the learn together -hk. So now I can start to use the git push Heroku master. Now I have to wait for it to communicate with my Heroku server, and of course I have performed the OAuth authentication before, so I can use this computer to communicate with my Heroku. If this is your first time to use this computer to communicate with Heroku, it will ask you for the authentication, and it is very easy. You just go through the steps. So now I have finished uploading, and it said that the app is ready. So let's try it. Let's try this one. Copy, copy, go to here, press, wait for a little while. This waiting is because I will skip if we have not pay for it. So it will skip unless you have pay for it. So now this is successfully running on the learntogether-hk.herokuapp.com. Herokuapp.com is the main domain, and this subdomain is our app name. So this is how to upload your website to the internet with the Heroku. And this website can be a backend website with either Node.js or many other backend technology. So this is how to upload to the Heroku. I hope you like this video, and in the next video I'm going to use my domain name which I just registered to connect to this Heroku app. So look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.